Welcome back to Almost Machining. It's about 112 degrees here on Tatooine today, and we've got a machine for shaving grass. But it has a problem. The reel is dull. From whoever owned this before probably never had it sharpened, and the rail has got some issues with it. We've taken the rail off, we've mounted it up in the tool and cutter grinder, and we're going to get this cutting machine back in business. We'll take you over, show you how we've got that set up, do some light passes to clean that up. So what we've done is we have taken the rail, mounted it up between centers, got a block and some pieces keeping it from moving whatsoever. We're going to do really light cuts across the top of this. Let's see how this goes. You know that we're high on this side. I'm indicating it in. I made the setup more rigid. All right, we're coming down the last few passes. Okay, I'm going to indicate the face in. So we've got the lawnmower back together. It's rubbing on the back. We're going to fire it up and give it a shot going down some grass. Take a look. Seems like she did okay. So the grinder did really well on grinding that rail for the lawnmower. Put it back together, got it in the yard, finished cutting the grass, did really well. We'll keep finding ways to use this machine. Please subscribe and thanks for watching.